Find a smooth area where you want to install the GateKeeper to ensure the mounting bracket sits flush. If there aren't any cables already in place, drill a hole using the mounting bracket as your guide. Then feed your cables through the hole. Next, screw the mounting bracket to the wall and make sure the arrow on the bracket is pointing up and it's level. Now feed the cable through the seal, making sure it's facing the right way. Connect the cable to the provided terminal. Plug the terminals into the back of the GateKeeper and push in the seal. Place the GateKeeper above the bracket and slide it down over the mounts. Secure it by screwing in the provided security screw from the bottom. And use a small seal to cover the screw. Connect to the DC power supply and watch for the pulsing light. This means the unit is receiving power and turning on. Once it's connected to the internet, you'll see a solid blue ring. Once you see the solid blue light, wait for 5 minutes. After that, the GateKeeper will be ready to use. The client should already have the app installed on their device, so press the call button to test the GateKeeper.